Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pemberley Farm. This morning we're going to actually build the fire for our next video in the cooking with cast iron over the fire. Right now I don't have small pieces of kindling. I got some small sticks here and all, and we got some fat lightered or fat pine, fat wood, many different names for it. But to start with, I'm going to take my knife and baton some wood. And there you go. That's some of the kindling, about the size you want. And Gideon's gonna get him a piece of wood. Start with that. If that ain't enough, I'll do some more. I should be able to break that. Some of it. All right. Here's our piece of fat lightered. We'll stick it up under here. And use the old trusty Bic. Wished I had a little bit of grass or something, dried grass, but hopefully this will get it going pretty quick. All right, now, come on, stay lit. Just make sure all that small stuff gets going. Smoke follows beauty. It's a shame Beauty was a horse. All right. Yeah, that's a fire.
Kelly's getting the leaves out of the way because we're about to pull some of the coals out of our fire. If we can quit fighting wasps. We've had problems with wasps this morning. So anyway, he's going to pull some coals out, and we're going to put our bread Dutch oven on top of it to get hot, and then we're going to put some, going to start some cornbread. Okay, now our pan has warmed, and we're going to put our cornbread. You hear it? Can you hear it? It's sizzling. That's a good thing. You want it to be warm when you put the cornbread in there. That helps it to not stick. All right. So we're going to put our lid back on there, and we're going to add coals to the top.
And try to put them as evenly as possible. More coals go on the top than they do the bottom too. We'll start with that. May have to pull some off, but that'll give us our start.
And make sure it's actually coals and not hot dirt.
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to put the grate over here on our fire and start the next part of our cooking. Okay, what we're doing now is we've let our other Dutch oven, which is a regular Dutch oven, not a camp oven, and we've let it warm up some. All right, so now we're putting some chopped up bacon in there. Okay, and we're going to let the bacon cook till it's done. And then we'll add some more to it. Okay, you'll see now that we have moved the cornbread off of the bottom coals. It was getting a little too hot. So, and we have been rotating the lid, and so that's what we've done with the cornbread. Now I'll tell you all about the cornbread. My husband is always the one who does the bread making in these things. I mix it together, I put it together, and he's the one that controls the heat. And so he's not here today. And so if this messes up and we burn the bottom of this, it's all his fault because he wasn't here. Just saying. All right, so now we're going to look over here in our other Dutch oven on the grill. And this is just an old grill that my husband made from scraps, I don't know, probably 20, 30 years ago. And that's what it's sitting on over our, so anyway, over our fire here. The bacon, it's cooking, but it's just going to take it a little while. All right, we'll be back when it's more done. All right, our bacon is good and crispy for the most part. So we're going to take that up. And we'll add it back again in a little bit, but right now we don't want it to get real mushy, so we're taking it up. Next thing we're doing is adding onions to our bacon grease. There's a few little tiny pieces of bacon left in there, but that's okay. It'll be fine, and we're going to stir fry our onions in this for a few minutes. I'm going to put it back over on the fire. Alright, so wish us luck. This is the first time we've done cornbread without my husband being here, so just turn it upside down. Oh, it's sticking. It's sticking.
Alright.
Let me get...
This is what you don't want. Sorry.
Yes. We're just going to eat it out of here. I told you, we've never done it before. He always knows how to... Yeah, it's stuck real good.
There it goes.
Yeah, it's coming.
It's letting loose.
Now, there we go.
Alright. Alright, do the paper towels down.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
No,
Oh.
dang it.
Yeah, we messed up. We got it too hot. And my husband's going to laugh at us. So this is what you don't want. We got too many coals on the bottom. He always does it. So we take it for granted. But baby still looks pretty good. Maybe he won't be mad at us for...
I'll still eat the cornbread.
Maybe he won't be mad at us for burning cornbread in his favorite pan. If y'all don't see us for a long time, you'll know what happened. All right, now we're still working on the onions. About to be timed in just a minute to take them off. No, we won't take them off. We're going to add two. So as soon as they're a little more done, we're going to add two. All right, we just added our cabbage in with our onions. And now we're going to add some water. Because we want our cabbage to steam. And these are cabbage that we grew right here. All right, so now we do our last thing, which is salt and a little bit of pepper. And then we add smoked sausage. We're going to stir that up a little bit. And let that cook a little bit, and then we'll be back. Going to add our bacon back to it. And let it cook a few more minutes. Okay, I think we're done enough. So, we're going to take some of it up. Looks pretty yummy to me. Bon appetit. Well, we forgot to bring forks over here. So Kelly was not going to be defeated, so he made us a fork. Isn't that a cool looking fork?